I'll हेलो एस्पायरेंट, दिस इज राकेश और आप देख रहे हैं स्पेशलाइज्ड ट्यूटोरियल। आज हम बात करने जा रहे हैं प्रोग्रामिंग बेसिस में। बेसिकली आज में हम सी प्रोग्रामिंग में फंडामेंटल इन हिस्ट्री का दिया हमारा ये तीसरा वीडियो है, जिसमें कि कीवर्ड, वेरिएबल, स्ट्रक्चर एंड फंक्शन इन सी, कंट्रोल स्ट्रक्चर एंड कंडीशनल ऑपरेटर। बेसिकली दो हम लोगों ने एमसीक्यू तैयार किया है। ये अलग अलग जितने भी परीक्षाओं में आयोजित हुए उन सारे परीक्षाओं से लिया गया क्वेश्चन है, जिसको हम लोगों ने एमसीक्यू के माध्यम से आपके पास प्रेजेंट करने के लिए सोचा हुआ है। उसी कलेक्शन में आज हम आपको 20 क्वेश्चंस का बेसिकली और भी क्वेश्चंस हम लोग आपको प्रोवाइड करेंगे, जो कि परीक्षा की दृष्टि से काफ़ी महत्वपूर्ण है। सो इफ अगर आपका परीक्षा में सी प्रोग्रामिंग आता है और सी प्रोग्रामिंग में क्वेश्चंस अगर कवर करने हैं तो अपने आप को रिलेट करने के लिए आप हमारे एमसीक्यू जरूर देखें। आई होप इट इज वेरी हेल्पफुल फॉर योर एग्जामिनेशन। सो चलिए स्टार्ट करते हैं। क्वेश्चन नंबर 1, what will be output of the following C program? Okay, what will be output of the following C program? C program is include integer main, उसके बाद integer go to 5, printf go to and data. Basically this is the program, so you have to be just look at your end. I will not explain anything. I will just suggest you the answers. So just I think that you take your time. So what will be the appropriate answer? 5, 10 or A, B, C, D, which is compiling error, which is what will be the output of the following C program? So A is the 5 will be the answer. Okay, output will be 5. Now take a question number 2. Output of the following C program fragment. So program is x equal to 5, y equal to x plus plus, print at 5. So which value basically? A 5 6, B 5 5, C 6 5 and D 6 6. Yes, you take your time and just solve it. So my answer is C 6 5. Okay, question number 3, what will be the output of the following C program? Okay, this is the program. Include integer xyz 10, integer main, integer xyz 20, printf xyz return 0. So what will be the A20, B20, A10, B20, C30 and compiling error? B20 is the right answer. Okay, now take a question number 4. Following program fragment. This is the program. Okay, so which will be the print the address of main function, print 0, is an error, is an infinite loop. Following program fragment main, printer p and main, and just close it. So print the address of the main function, print 0, is an error, is an infinity loop. Print the address of main function. Okay, A is the right answer. Now take a question number 5. What will be the output of the following program? Okay, output of the following program. This is the program. Main integer A, B, C is equal to A equality A, B, printf model D and C return 0. So A 0, B 7, C 10 and D 2. Which is the right answer? A 0 is the right answer. Okay, at our end, but you will be very careful. Question number 6. What is the output of following program segment? This is the program main long, printf. Okay, so answers are A0, B 6 5 5 3 6, C minus 1 and D 6 5. Okay, so A is equal to 0 is the right answer. Now take the next question. Question number 7. What will be the output of the program? Output integer array, integer. Okay, j m print I j m return. Here the main integer is equal to 5 1 2 3 4 5. The values integer I j and m I equal to plus plus a, j is equal to a 1 print, and this is I think that you just watch this program. Look at, just take evaluate. What will be the answer? A B C D 2115 125 3 to 15 and 2 3 20. So answer are C. Answer is C 3 to 15. Now take the next question. What will the output of following program segment? Main integer 1 do print y I. So options are A 0 1 1 0 0 and -1. So 1 and 0 is the right answer. Question number 9. Output of the program below is integer I is equal to main printf d. Yes. What will be the answer? Just look at this. A1 B0 C -1 AD null. Okay. Yes, B equal to 0 is the right answer. What will be the output of the following program? Main integer I printf. Okay. So A0 B7 C6 and D1. So D1 is the right answer. Actually, there is no place that I will be just explain it, so you have to be just take the solution of this and match our with answers, and if your answers match with our answers, that is a very good something. If you feel that your answer is different, so kindly comment us. Okay. Question number 11. If it is necessary to declare the type of function is calling program. If it is necessary to declare the type of function is calling program, if function return an integer, function return a non-integer value, function is non-defined in the same file, function is called number of times. Okay. So function return a non-integer value. If the necessary declare the type of function is calling program, if function return a non-integer value. B is the right answer. Now take question number 12. Which escape character can be used to begin a new line in C? Which escape character begin a new line? A, M, B and N. So you know it, always used D, M. Input output functions prototype and macros are defined in which header file? Input output function prototype and macro are defined in which header file? Conio.h, stdlibs.h, studio.h and toss.h. It's a very easy. Studio.h. Okay. What is the purpose of F plus functions? Plus is all stream and specification stream, plus is only specify streams, plus input output buffer, plus file buffer, plus all stream and specify streams. Okay. The purpose of F plus is functions is the plus all stream and specify streams. Question number 15. What does the following declaration means? Let's take the pointer. This is pointer is the array of pointer of 10 integer. Pointer is a pointer to an array of 10 integer. Pointer is an array of 10 integer and pointer is the pointer to array. So basically means, what is the means of this? Okay. Pointer is the array of pointer of 10 integers. Pointer is a pointer to an array of 10 integers. Pointer is an array of 10 integers. Pointer is a pointer to array. So which is the right answer? Yes. Pointer is a pointer to an array of 10 integers. This is the right answer. Question number 16. Which symbol you use as a statement terminator in C? Which symbol you use as a statement terminator in C? Is which is A, B, C and D. So obviously D. This is used to, okay, semicolon. to terminate the program. Now take the next question, question number 17. If the size of array is less than the number of initialized, then if the size of array is less than number of initialized, then extra value we can ignore, generate an error message, size of arrays increase, size of negligence when value are given. So which is, so appropriate answer is generate an error message. Okay, if the size of array is less than the number if it's lies, then generate as the error message. Okay, now take a question number 18. In C, if you pass an array and an argument to a function, what actually get passed? Pass an array on an argument to a functions, actually get passed. Okay, value of element in array, first element of the array, base address of the array, address of the last element of the array. Yes, base address of the array is the right answer. If you pass an array and the argument to the functions, so basically base address of the array actually get passed. Question number 9. How many times the for loop will be executed? How many times? So programmer is basically just look at this. Okay, 0, 25, 26 and 1, which will be the right answer. Our answer is 25. Okay, our answer is 25. Now last question of this MCQs. If a is equal to 8 and b is equal to 15, then the statement x is equal to a is greater than b and a b. So assign a value 8 to x, given an error message, assign a value 15 to x and assign a value of 7 to x, which is the right answer. Let's see, assign a value of 15 to x. Okay, so aspirant, आई होप आपको हमारा MCQs पसंद आ रहा होगा, क्योंकि जो हमारा MCQs है रिलेटेड टू द प्रोग्राम था, एक शॉर्ट प्रोग्राम जो कि अभी आपने बेसिक सी लैंग्वेज में सीखा होगा, उसी से रिलेटेड ही हमारा MCQs था। क्योंकि इस MCQs में हमने इसलिए डिफ़ाइन नहीं किया क्योंकि आप इन प्रोग्राम को डिफ़ाइन करने के लिए आप अपने नोटबुक पे बैठ के कर सकते हैं। हमने चूँकि ऑलरेडी इसको तो सॉल्व कर लिया, सॉल्व करने के बाद जो आंसर है हमने उसको आपको दे दिया है। आप प्लीज़ अपने आंसर को टैली करिए और हमारे जो भी क्वेश्चन आंसर है प्लीज़ इसको फॉलो करिए। इट इज़ वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट फॉर योर एग्जाम्स। सो एस्पायरेंट, थैंक्स टू सब्सक्राइब आवर चैनल and please like and share. Thank you so much for your cooperations, and we are looking that you all are taking interest to our MCQs, because I think that it is a very good way to be just evaluate yourself that how much you know about the subjects. So thank you for like us. So thank you for watching our video once again.